Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my potato cheese. But before I get started, I would like to show appreciation to my subscriber. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for your comment, for your like. Thank you. And if you are new to my channel, can you turn up the notification bell, like and comment? Thank you so much. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my potato cheese. So let's get started. So guys, I have my potato peeled and I already cut my potato. So I have my onions, I have my sausages, and I have my egg. I have my cheese. So guys, I have my baking dish. That's my baking dish. So right now we're parboiling my potato, maybe like 3 minutes. So after parboiling my potato, I already add my potato inside my baking dish. I had my salt, I had my black pepper. So right now guys, I will be frying my onions and my sausages. I'll be frying maybe like 3 minutes. So I'll be mixing my egg as well. So right now I'll be adding my sausages and my onions inside my potato. So right now guys, I will be adding my cheese. So I will continue the same process. So guys, I will be adding my egg.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
So we continue the same process. I will add my cheese again. So guys, it's time to bake. Right now you can see that. Wow, look at that. Look at the good results. See how it look nice. Look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.